Yes.
Really?
It's cold.
It is way cold.
I see snow.
It is snowing.
Yeah, because the groundhog saw its shadow, so it's 6
Okay, so I put the cover over the goat's thing, and I put a bunch of rocks on it because I don't want it to blow off and get their hay wet.
Okay.
So it is. It's too cold.
We should go.
Well, yeah.
Should we do what we can? Should we just hurry and get rocks and put it around the rabbit area?
Yeah.
So you've got that bank that has all those rocks and everything.
Alright, we'll hurry and go do that.
Oh, here. I'm hurrying to feed the cats.
Okay. You ready to go to work?
Yeah!
Alright, let's do this. Okay. I'll film, you do the work.
Should I have them get rocks?
Yeah, everybody go get rocks. Where's Brody?
He's down there. Where the huts are.
Way down there? Oh yeah, he is.
Maybe he's getting warm now.
Over here, Wyatt. There's a lot of rocks right here. Here's a good one right here.
This is a good one.
This is a really good one. It's snowing. Okay, we'll just take them and just set them up against the fence. Hey guys, they found their food and water.
Yeah, they're doing really good.
Yeah.
That's looking really good.
Yeah. So we've got the rocks. Just got a little bit more on this side to go. We got rocks lined around. They're heavy, huh?
This one and that one and that one and that one. And
The HABATAT. You guys did good work today. But there's a snowstorm about to get here.
Yeah.
Looks like right over there.
It's foggy over there.
Oh, that's snow. That's not fog.
Oh.
So, and we're really cold. And you ain't got a good coat on. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Not me.
So Wyatt, we'll just come back tomorrow and finish this.
Yeah.
But we did good work. And we got most of the rocks down. They got food. They got water. They got awesome shelter.
So what Mom said.
Okay. The HABATAT, we've got rocks going all the way around. And if that's not enough, we also put stakes down to hold the bottom of the fence down, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
But then I got worried and I thought, well, let's put rocks just in case.
It looks really good.
Makes it harder for a dog to dig in. And now, to make it even harder for a dog to get in, we're going to put electric fence on. We're going to electric fence around the outside of this, so if a dog or something tries to dig in there, it's going to get zapped.
What did you say?
Remember all that work that we did putting up the electric fence for the goats?
Yeah.
Now we got to tear it down. And then we got to put it back around the rabbit pen. I think the goats are trained for the fence.
Yeah.
So, let's do it. Okay, so we'll probably go about a foot out. And that way if a dog tries to dig in there, it's going to get zapped horribly bad. And this is a really, really strong charger. I don't think there's even a stronger one on the market than what we have. I mean, it'll... Wyatt, does it zap really hard?
Yes.
Yes. You can testify to that. Want to tell them what we're doing?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're just going to take the rest of this straw and just scatter it inside the...
Spread it in there so it don't get muddy.
Yeah. Oh, went through the ice. What'd be funny is to get a fishing pole and sit here. Come on in, come on in. Right there? Yeah.
Bury it. And hold it. Do it up and down. Come on, straight.
It's cold.
Is that going to stay? I'll hold the scissors. That way if you fall, you won't land on them. This is very dangerous. Don't try this at home. This is very dangerous, so I'll have you doing it. As high as you can go. And we'll see how this works. Should I do corners first?
Yeah, do corners first.
I wonder if I could... This is what I call redneck ingenuity. This is redneck netting. Uh-oh.
You can't even see it.
Yeah, I know. That's why I bought tape. So what we do is we got it's called aluminum duct tape. It's really shiny, reflective stuff. And what we'll do is we'll just cut little strips of this. So I'm thinking like that. We'll just cut little strips. So then you take it, don't walk into this line. Probably angle this way so they can see. And what you do is you take that, bend it around, and hang it like that. That will dance in the sunlight, and it'll reflect, and it'll cause confusion to the hawks and eagles and pterodactyls. So we'll just put that on the whole thing. Okay, so what we got going on here is we have, well, let's start with the fence. So I have the fence and I put staples down in there so the bottom's stapled down. And then I thought that's not enough. What if a dog with a lot of power could rip them staples out? So we put big rocks in front of the fence right here. And then I got thinking,
Well, let's train a dog. If a dog had enough time, it could move a big boulder if it had enough time. So we put electric fence right along here. This is off. Of course, when we hang out down here, we just turn the fence off so that way the kids don't get zapped. And then I also purposely put this fence out about 1.5 feet from this fence here. We're done.
No, no.
So we got the rabbit habitat done.
Yay!
And it is really, really cold out here. Our hands are red and frozen. Hers are. So I'll just explain a little bit of what we've done. Is we have the electric charger here. When we're not here, we'll turn that on. And if a dog tries to over here, if a dog tries to dig its way in here, it's going to get zapped. We put this about 1 foot out. So if a dog jumps up on this fence, it's going to get zapped in the hindquarters. And then we put rocks along here, so the rabbits can't dig out, dogs can't dig out. We put a line right here to kind of make the fence taller than what it is, so it might deter a dog from wanting to jump up and over. And then right here, we've put a pole in the middle, and to every T-post we have put tape on. So that will keep the birds, when they fly over, they'll be too scared to jump into it. I think the rabbits feel a lot safer now. We're done, guys.
We go home.
Let's get some chili. It's a chilly night. I think it's a chilly night. What do you want to eat? You want to go home and eat chili?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Look at this.
Whose is redder?
Look at mine. Look at mine.
Red hands.
She's the reddest.
Red hands.
Look at mine.
Ooh, them hands look cold.
Mine
See
don't.
your hands? So, red hands.
Hey.
Red hands.
These are reddish.
In your face, red cheeks.
Dad,
Red
look at,
cheeks.
what
I
about
see Mom looks like Kenny off of Mom looks like Kenny off of South Park.
Hey, Dad, what about mine? What about mine?
Okay. Alright, dogs. Get in there.
I want to come
I dare you. Looks good, guys. I think the rabbits are safe.
Yeah.